Hey everybody, it's Christopher Nejman. Well, I finally found an LED light for my Janome 9000 online. And this is it. So, I just got it in, I unpackaged it, so I'm going to put it in and try and see what happens. And you're going to be the first to see it with me. Stay with me, I'll be right back. Okay, welcome back. It's really raining tonight where I'm at. So if you hear thunder in the background, that's what's happening. Okay, so this is drawer liner, and I know I need that drawer liner to pull this out. Because this isn't easy, it's slippery as hell. There we go, got it out. Okay, now let's put the new one in. It doesn't look like it's gonna fit, guys. Well, maybe it will. Let's see. Oh, I guess I gotta get around that rubber part. All right, let's try it. Let me see. All right. All right, let me try. Yep, it did fit. Okay. I'll put that back. Yeah. What? All right, let's see if it works. Let me turn the machine on. That did not work. Alright, maybe I got it in wrong. Let's see. Hey, stop. Try this again. Oh, almost had it. I almost had it. I'm trying to match up those holes in there. That didn't work, so let's try the two little holes there. This is tricky. I had it once. I should be able to get it again. Oh, what happened? There we go. Got it. Got it. It works. Oh, that's bright. Oh yes, baby. Look how bright that is. Oh yes, mama. Yeah. Yeah. And God said, let there be light. Yes. It does hang kind of low, though. If there's a way I could bring it up higher. It does hang low. Maybe I could just... Oh, don't you dare go out on me now. Well, that's really... Do I have a loose wire? What's going on here? Should I put that rubber all the way over? Let's see. I wonder if there's a way I can wrap this here. Oops. Come on now, don't go out on me. I hope the wire's not loose. Not connecting right. Let me see if I can get I know what I'll try. I think I'll try. Oh, can't see. I think I will try. Sorry, you couldn't see. I think I'll try to wrap this with wait, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Let me see if I can wrap this around here like this. Gotta find a way to bring that up higher. Oh, now see, it just went out on me. Well, I guess that's not... Don't like that it's kind of loose in there. Alright, I guess I'm just gonna have to. I think it's the wire. Something's. I might have to order a whole new connection here. Let me get this in here. Yeah. I think there's something loose. Let me try turning it the other way. Oh, now that I messed it up. There, let's try that. Oh, that's better. Yeah, I flipped it the other way and it works better. Okay, so let me see if I can wrap this around here. Put this in here. And this is LED, so shouldn't be a problem with this as far as heat goes. Let me just test this and see if that's better. No, it doesn't. It's too high. I do want to lower so I get more light down there. Well, I just might have to leave it like it is and let it hang down a little bit. Let me try this again. Yeah, see, it does hang down a little bit like that. That can be impair. Yeah, no, I got to bring it up. I've got to bring it up, my friends. Got to bring it up. Well, maybe I can live with it like this. Okay, so I see that this has another position, and it's possible that I could raise this up a little higher. I'm going to try that. Okay, so this was the bracket that was attached to here, and that's where the light would go in here. Unfortunately, if you look here, the top hole is bigger than the second hole. So what I did was I just took this bracket off, because all it is was a light bracket. And I put the screw back in here because obviously there's a reason why that screw is there for this also. So now when I close this, what I did was I just used a pipe cleaner here to hold this. And now when I close this, I still have bright light, but it's not hanging down. So I'll put this in my little compartment case for the machine for future. And now I've got the light there. So I've got plenty of light right there. Isn't that nice? And then I've got the light over here. And then I turn this light on here. I got that light, so we have plenty of light here to sew and see. Okay, I had to let you see how much brighter this is. So let's do this again. So this is the light that's off there, the top light. This is the machine light that's off. And this light here is that little light I had, LED in my last video I showed you about. So let's turn the machine light back on. Very nice. And here's the top light. Isn't that nice? Look how much nicer I can see. I tell you, the important thing when sewing is to make sure, I can't use my knee lifter because my tripod's in the way right now. Tripod's in the way. The nice thing about sewing is, well, the important thing about sewing is to make sure that you've got plenty of light to see. And a lot of young people say, no, I can see it, trust me. The more light you have to see, the better you're going to be able to look at what you're sewing, you know, and then you can see what mistakes you're making. It's very important. Beautiful light, just beautiful light. I want to note that what you just witnessed was troubleshooting, from replacing it for the first time to now. This was all troubleshooting. And I am not a mechanic by any means. I am not an engineer by any means. But I MacGyvered this to make it work. Just like I MacGyvered the magnetic light under here by putting a metal bracket with double-sided tape up there, automotive double-sided tape, and it sticks up there so I get all kinds of light. So you too can MacGyver and make things work. Don't think that you can't, because you don't need to have a degree in engineering to make things work and make your sewing and everything else you do more enjoyable. I just want to point that out to you guys. So I hope that gives you more confidence in trying things, and don't be afraid and say, hey, how can you, am I allowed to do this? Am I allowed to do that? You know what? You don't need anybody's permission. You don't need my permission. You don't need anybody's permission to try things. You know, if something's going to work, give it a shot. Look to see if it works. The worst thing that can happen is it won't fit. You have to send it back. But don't be afraid. And stop asking my permission. You don't need my permission. Okay, everybody? And you want to find things, do a Google search. Okay, love you. This time I'm signing off for real. Okay, stay safe, wear your mask. Bye. Love you. God bless.